Starting college can be both exciting and daunting, especially when it comes to making new friends. It's a time of transition, and building meaningful connections can greatly enhance your overall college experience. To help you navigate this social landscape, here are the top 15 tips to make new friends at college. Tip number 1. Attend orientation events. Orientation events are designed to help newcomers acclimate to college life. Take advantage of these opportunities to meet fellow students who are also looking to make friends. Tip number 2. Join clubs and organizations. Colleges offer a plethora of clubs and organizations catering to various interests. Joining one aligning with your hobbies or passions is a fantastic way to meet like-minded individuals. Tip number 3. Be open-minded. Approach social situations with an open mind. Be willing to step out of your comfort zone and engage in conversations with people you might not have initially considered as potential friends. Tip number 4. Initiate conversations. Don't be afraid to initiate conversations. Whether it's in the dormitory, classroom, or cafeteria, a simple hello can lead to meaningful connections. Tip number 5. Attend social events. Keep an eye out for social events organized by your college. These could include mixers, game nights, or themed parties. Attend these gatherings to meet a diverse range of people. Tip number 6. Study groups. Joining or forming study groups is an excellent way to bond with classmates over academic interests. Working together on assignments and projects can naturally lead to friendships. Tip number 7. Utilize social media. Many colleges have dedicated social media groups for incoming students. Join these groups to connect with your peers before arriving on campus, and use platforms like Instagram and Facebook to stay connected. Tip number 8. Participate in sports. If you enjoy physical activities, consider joining intramural sports teams or fitness classes. Sports are not only a great way to stay active, but also an excellent avenue for meeting new people. Tip number 9. Be approachable. A warm and approachable demeanor can make it easier for others to strike up a conversation with you. Smile, make eye contact, and display open body language. Tip number 10. Volunteer. Engaging in volunteer activities not only allows you to give back to the community, but also provides an opportunity to meet individuals who share similar values. Tip number 11. Attend campus events. Colleges often host a variety of events, such as guest lectures, performances, and workshops. Attend these events to broaden your horizons and mingle with fellow attendees. Tip number 12. Participate in Freshman Week activities. Freshman Week usually involves a range of activities designed to help new students integrate into college life. Take part in these events to meet people who are also eager to make friends. Tip number 13. Be a good listener. Building friendships involves not only sharing about yourself, but also being a good listener. Show genuine interest in others by asking questions and actively listening to their responses. Tip number 14. Respect differences. College brings together individuals from diverse backgrounds and cultures. Embrace and respect these differences, as they can enrich your social circle and provide a more well-rounded college experience. Tip number 15. Stay positive and patient. Building lasting friendships takes time, so be patient. Stay positive, persevere through initial challenges, and keep putting yourself in social situations. Friendships often develop organically over the course of the college journey. Final words. College is a time of growth, learning, and forming lasting connections. By following these tips, you can create a supportive social network that enhances your college experience and lays the foundation for lifelong friendships. Remember to be open-minded, take initiative, and enjoy the journey of building meaningful connections with your fellow students.